In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on Trello. Trello is a popular tool for managing projects and organizing tasks, but sometimes the interface can feel a bit cramped, especially if you're dealing with a large board. Fortunately, Trello offers a couple of simple methods to adjust the zoom level, allowing you to view your board in a more spacious way. Whether you prefer using keyboard shortcuts or on-screen controls, these tips will help you customize your Trello experience to meet your needs. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Trello's homepage by opening your web browser and going to Trello.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so by clicking on the login button, which you'll find at the upper right corner of the page. Trello gives you a range of options for logging in, including using your existing Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack accounts. Alternatively, you can use your email address and password for signing in. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Trello dashboard where all your boards are conveniently laid out for you. Now that you're on your Trello board, let's talk about zooming out to get a wider view of your workspace. If you're someone who loves using shortcuts, then the keyboard shortcut method might be the quickest way for you. Simply press the Ctrl key and the minus key at the same time on a Windows machine. If you're working on a Mac, you'll want to use CMD and minus instead. This will zoom out the display, giving you an overview of your board and making it easier to navigate between different lists and cards. For those of you who prefer using on-screen controls, Trello has you covered as well. Look towards the bottom right corner of your Trello board for a small magnifying glass icon. This icon is perfect for those who like visual navigation rather than shortcuts. Clicking on it allows you to toggle between zooming in and zooming out. Keep clicking until you reach a display size that feels comfortable for you. This option is especially useful if you're working on a touchscreen device or if you prefer not using keyboard shortcuts. Both of these zoom out methods can significantly enhance your Trello experience by offering more flexibility in how you view your boards. Whether you're managing a complex project or simply trying to declutter your workspace, adjusting your zoom settings can make working in Trello much more efficient. Plus, being able to see more of your board at once can help improve your focus, so you're less distracted by having to constantly scroll. That wraps up our guide today. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you feel more confident navigating Trello with ease. Thanks for joining us, and happy organizing!